Okay, so we got a shipment of parts in today. One of the parts is side markers for the E36. They are yellow LED lights. And then we got E46 corner markers that we believe are yellow. That's what they showed in the picture, but we're not sure until we put them on the car.
So we are very familiar with Depo products. They make very nice stuff. These corner markers are actually the second set of corner markers I've owned. The other set were on a facelift E46 sedan. The side markers, this again, another second set of side markers that we've had. And we also have full sets of headlights that have come from Depo. Depo make very high quality stuff. If you're in the market for not buying BMW OEM specific stuff, which can cost upwards of $1,500 to replace, and then you're not looking as cheap as like $150, $200 on just getting some really cheap eBay replacement headlights. These are a very good middle of the road headlight. Everything fits great. It comes with everything. For example, these corner markers even come with a double back tape to mount the converter boxes to. That's always been really nice. They're a plug and play, and we're going to go over that a little bit on both of these items. These are a lot easier to put on. As you can tell, there's not much to it. These have some other wiring. We'll go over all that. It's really easy, and we definitely recommend this brand as replacement OEM parts when yours fail.
So we have the original side markers on the car. As you can see, they're carbon fiber wrapped for weight reduction purposes. We're going to be taking them off. When you take them off, if you want to preserve them, be extra careful because there is a clip here. It will snap just like ours did, and you just pull it off like that, and then we can replace it. As you can see, the gasket to the side marker has gotten stuck to the paint on the car. We're going to be removing it and then sticking the new side marker onto the car, putting it in, and turning them on to see if they work. The process for the other side is the exact same. So our side marker gasket was abnormal. The previous owner decided to super glue it to the car, so as you can tell right here, it's all stuck. We tried to get it off and we can't. So hopefully this doesn't happen to any of you guys. So the side markers on the E36 are done. I love the way that they turned out. Overall, it's a pretty simple process. It'll take about 1 to 2 minutes to do each side if you don't have a gasket glued on.
So now we're going to be doing the corner markers on my E46. There is a couple things we're going to show you up close here. Some wiring. It's pretty simple. There's a couple things that are kind of difficult to get your hands down inside of, but we'll go over that right now. So I'm going to show you on just the one side. The process is the same for both sides. They both come with the same wiring harness. Probably the hardest part to do is this connector right here. I'm not going to undo it because, like I said, it's actually pretty difficult. You can see there's not a lot of room to put your fingers down in there. This looks like the back end of a light bulb, and as you can see, this is actually the connector for the light bulb. So what you do is you push it down and you twist it. Well, it's difficult to twist once it's down that far. Once that's done, this wire gets tucked up underneath there. This locks in place. This converter box goes to this side. It's the only plug that'll fit it. And this goes to the car. This is where the original corner marker used to plug in. The hardest part is that. The second hardest part is going to be finding room for this. They do give you some wire, so hopefully we'll find some room, and that's where this comes in. Sometimes you can stick it to the inside of the fender. They also give you a hole right there. You could screw it somewhere. So we're just going to have to be creative about where we put that. But we're ready to put these on. I'm really excited about how they're going to turn out. All right, so the only tool you're going to need to remove your corner marker is a long flat-headed screwdriver. Here is the new corner marker and the converter box that I just dropped. You want to go grab that? So we're going to be removing the corner marker by using a long flat-bladed screwdriver. What you're going to want to do is reach back down. There's a hole right here. Reach back down behind there, push on this, and it will release. Pull the corner marker out, and then we'll get the new one put in. I think that was about, what, 4 or 5 minutes maybe at the most. I think it looks absolutely awesome. We'll show you here in a second where we actually ran the converter box. As you can see, it's up here instead of down like in the fender. There's a little space in the middle there where we were able to run it under some wiring. We'll show you that here in a second. First, we're gonna go test out to make sure that everything's in there correctly. There's the old one compared to the new one.
And that is what they look like. They were yellow.
They're yellow?
Yep.
What do you think about them?
They look really nice.
I'm very happy with these. As you can see, they were orange, just like I was hoping they were. They look fantastic. They fit great. And just like this side, process is the exact same on the other side. So right underneath all these wires, goes right back beneath the corner marker. So what I did was I unplugged this from the rest of the wiring, ran this in, plugged it in, and then was able to put it all back together.
So overall, the E36 side markers turned out pretty good. They look like they're gonna be durable and last a long time.
Very happy on how everything fit up. Very happy on the brightness, the output on the lights and everything like that. So we'd highly recommend Depo for your E46 and E36 BMWs. Dance party!